What I have for you today is this little hand blower. It's a leaf blower that really just works with one-handed operations, very compact. This is a beautiful thing because it uses your Makita batteries. So if you've already got the ecosystem of Makita batteries, you're going to be able to use this thing just like your other tools. Comes with an extension here. It's got a rubber tip on the end so you can get it to bend around corners. You've also got other extensions and pieces that come with it. You can attach these to this side here, use it like a vacuum. Comes with a leaf bag that you can put here to catch the leaves or whatever you collect through the vacuum here. As you use it, you've got a trigger here to pull it and activate it. If I click it real quick, you see P1. And then I can indicate it to P2, P3, and it cycles back to P1. On P3, it's going to be the most powerful. This up here is my battery level. See, I've only got one dot, so I got to charge this battery up. This gives me that indication when that battery is getting low. As far as this thing works, it does a great job. I blew all these leaves off my patio over into this pile over here. You can see how it does. And this thing is great. And if you got a fully charged battery, you can use it for quite a long time. It's a small unit, but it puts out a lot of air, a lot of power. So I definitely would recommend it. If you've got the Makita suite of batteries, this is one that you're going to like. It's very compact, fits really well in your hand. All the plastic's really well made. It's a good tool. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.